This is a video where I'm going to analyze the scenes leading up to the event of this picture, the prior frames leading up to this event on 3/25/18, because it's only there for a few minutes and then it disappears. But leading up to it is what's really puzzling, because it was invisible before this scene. So, and I've seen it on other days, and it's the same way. It's blue, sort of like a blue transparent thing, and then it turns red right before it disappears. So we can try to figure out what it is and how to see it coming in case it comes by. It gets closer and closer. Okay, so I'm going to start the film. This is... okay, I'm not sure exactly what time of day it is. About 10:30, I think. Okay, notice these asteroids, or whatever they are. Okay, this is the scene right before it. Notice this vortex is right here as a way you can tell it's in the next couple of pictures. And here's the blue thing that's transparent. It looks like a blue thing, object or something. See, let me go back to that picture. See, this vortex is the vortex that we're going to be watching. It's gray in this picture, but it's white in the subsequent pictures. It's almost as if it's touching close to the earth and picking up snow or something, but I don't think it's that close. But it could be picking up something else, like atmosphere or another planet or the moon or something like that. I don't know why it's gray. As it gets closer to the earth, maybe it's siphoning material, air, nutrients, iron. We don't know. But it's gray, whatever it is. Probably water, if anything else. But, okay, now let's go forward. Okay, there's the next picture. Let me make sure I didn't skip one. No, one. Okay. Now, the next one after that is, we're going in reverse order now. This is before it turned red. Anyway, you're going to be looking at this vortex in the next couple of pictures, because that's how you can see it. When it's invisible, that's all you can see. Okay, this is the scene before that. I know it seems like that one should have been the one prior, because it's bigger in this picture. But it also, I mean, look, it's got this transparent quality. And the vortex, of course. And all these, I don't know what they are, flares or something coming by it. In one scene, it actually makes an X every day. This white thing looks like a asteroid that might be spinning around it. Comes by real fast, and there's an X coming. Another asteroid is spinning in the opposite direction, like this, making a white X. But anyway, keep going. I'm going to go to the next picture now. Okay, now stop it. Okay, now this one is the same, only it's even more transparent, almost clear, with just clouds where the blue thing was. But still there's this vortex, so we can still see where it is. Okay, now I'm going to go forward some more to the next scene. And after this is through, I'll play the time-lapse by real slow so you can watch it in forward motion. Because we're going in reverse order here, because it was just going by so quick I couldn't analyze it. It was just going too quickly. Okay, I think I skipped one. Make sure I didn't skip one. Yeah, I think that's it. Anyway, here it is clear again. The vortex. Here's the beginning of the other asteroid that I told you to watch out for. See, it makes like an X pattern right here, right before it shows up. Every day on the ones I found on, let's see, it was 420 and let's see, what was yesterday? That was 420, and then one on the 26th. On the 26th, you could see it. That X right before the red thing shows up. It's got this asteroids going by here making an X a few seconds before. Okay, let me go forward now. And here's the one that goes this way is even darker here, and I think the next picture is even darker than that. The white thing is really dark. Okay, and here's the accretion disk, or vortex, where it's accreting matter from or something else is accreting matter from it, like this thing right here, which might be the red thing before it shows up. Might be accreting matter. Okay, we'll go to the next scene. And it's almost the same. It's got this, it's darker. We just happened to pick up 2 images of this, I guess. Go one more. And then it starts going into where it's blue. And I've got some scenes of it looking sort of blue over here. I'll run through them real quick. I don't know if you can see anything. Here's a planet here, too. And the last one is the most interesting because there's a red thing. If you can wait till the end here. Let's go there, right there. There's the blue thing. Uh-oh. Go back to that. Here's the blue thing again. Okay, here's what might be the blue thing. Keep going. Again, these are scenes before the red thing. Going backwards in order. Okay, here's the red thing. Purplish. Not sure if that has anything to do with it. But this purple thing is the one I was going to show you. See, this one really looks dark. And it's there every day. Before the red thing and the blue thing shows up. And that's all I think of the time of these that I was going to show you on this analysis. And I was going to do the time lapse. Here's the time lapse. In forward motion. And I just wanted to point out that this thing and this thing remind me of each other because this thing could be the white thing, and it seems to be shredding or, siphoning things from this thing to this thing, which is just another, gas giant looking thing, which this could be. The new, this one could have been consumed. This was 3 years ago. This was taken on March 28th, 2015. And this was just March 25th, 2018, just 3 years apart. So this could be a different gas giant that it seems to be consuming. So that's why they remind me of each other. And plus it's practically on the same day, 3 years apart. I saw the orange object today on 4:20 on the time lapse of 4:20, and got 2 captures of it. It's got the white thing here and the orange thing here, and here's another scene from it. And this one, it's the same time lapse. This is just another frame because the it's so fast that the time lapse it picks up different images, and only ones that I'm able to capture is whatever the time lapse it will allow me to capture. So anyway, this one has apparently got a red thing and an orange thing. And the orange thing seems to have an eye on it, just like Jupiter, like the red spot on Jupiter. I thought that was interesting. But this was from 4:20, so it's not out of our area yet. It was still in close proximity of it.